Alright, so we finished those tests. I'll get you those results probably tomorrow. The test we just took. But while we're doing this warm-up, I don't want headphones in your ears, right? Right? Hey, hey. Headphones, please. Thank you so much. Headphones, please. Thank you so much. Now, hold on. Quiz next Tuesday. And you can make sure all your Unit 9 assignments are in. I did give you a grade sheet yesterday or today, okay, with an updated grade. Now, on our warm-up, this is like the notes from yesterday. Take it up. Put it down. So, just focus. I'm trying to record. Come on. So, these problems are like the ones on your assignment, and they were like what we did in the notes yesterday. If you didn't get the assignment or the notes from yesterday, they're in the blue bin, of course. You knew that. But you know where to get it every time, right? Okay, you can wait till after the warm-up, but you should be writing down. Can you clear all that off your desk? Okay, number one, let's write an equation of a logarithmic graph with base e that is reflected over x, vertically stretched by 2, and shifted right 3. Now, this was on your notes, so you can write this down somewhere if you want. Y equals a log lil b x minus h in parentheses plus k. This is at the top of 10.1 notes from yesterday. And hopefully we know this, but if hey, in the back, Chicago girl, hey, you. If a is negative, what does that do to the graph? Reflects, okay? What does it do? If a is negative, it reflects, okay? What if a is greater than 1? Stretchy, okay? Vertical stretch. Hey, wait. If a is less than 1, it's a vertical compression, right? That's all old news. For every single function, that's true. If a is negative, it flips. And then if a is bigger than 1, vertical stretch. If a is less than 1, vertical compression. Now, what about h and k? Look at this h. H is on the inside of some parentheses. What do we know about insiders? They lie. And it's horizontal. K is the vertical number that it shifts, and it's no lie. So all that being said, here's another thing I want us to write down, okay? If someone asks you to do a log base e, so a log with a little e next to it, you always write that as an ln. ln is the abbreviation for natural log, which is weird because the L and the N for natural log are swapped. It's kind of weird. I don't know why. Okay, but if you are asked for log base e, we just write it as ln, natural log. If someone's talking about a log base 10, that means log with no base. So let me say that again. Everybody, is everyone looking and listening? If you see a log with no base, and there's no number here, the base is 10. Okay? No base implies base 10. Okay? So like, for example, when we get here and you see a log with no base, you know that's really a log base 10. Okay, now let's talk about this. Let's write this down. Go ahead and write on number 1, a logarithmic graph. Go ahead and write y equals, but it says log base e. What do I know about log base e? What are we going to be written as? ln, natural log. So leave some space and write ln x. Leave some space here because we're going to have to put something in front, okay? Everyone with me? So log base e is ln x. Now, it says it's reflected over x. What has to be in front here to reflect it over x? You said it earlier. What reflects it over x? Negative. Okay. So again, if there's a negative in front, it's a reflection, but also it's vertically stretched by 2. So if I know it's negative, vertically stretched by 2, what do I put out front? What? But it's it's reflected. So what else? Negative 2. Okay? Does everyone see what I'm doing here? -2 has two things. A negative, the negative reflects it over the x. The 2 vertically stretches by 2. Reflect, stretch. Reflect, stretch. Okay. Now, it also says it's shifted right 3. What do you think? Is shifting right inside the parentheses or outside the parentheses? H or K? What do you think? Okay. So again, horizontal H, left and right, is inside the parentheses. Okay. Go. What are you doing? In the parentheses is a horizontal shift, and it's a lie. So if I want it to be shifted right, what am I going to put inside these parentheses that I'm writing right now? Okay. I make those parentheses plus or minus 3. What do you think? Since it's a lie, it is going to be -3. Okay. Again, let's recap. Reflect has to have a negative. Stretch by 2 has to have a 2. Log base E is ln. Shifting to the right is -3 inside the parentheses because inside is log. Okay. Now, one more example here. So on number 2, use this equation to fill in the following. Now what's the base? Now look right here. Y'all see log? Is there a little number right here down here? There's no little number base, so that means it's 10. We said over off to the right here. No log base means it's log base 10. So again, I see nothing right there, so it's a 10. Cool. Now, transformations. If insiders lie, this +1 means it's going up, down, left, or right. No, because insiders are horizontal this way. So +1 is which way? But it's a lie. Left 1. All right. Thank you. And what about this -3? Up, down, left, or right? Down 3. Very good. Because it's not a lie and it's vertical. Okay, so please just don't forget insiders lie. Many lies are spilling out on the inside here. Okay. Now the asymptote. You really want to look at your notes from yesterday or the copy of the notes. Okay. You're thinking of domain. But the asymptote is x. It's a vertical line going through x, but it's x equals what? Okay. No. So check it out. The vertical asymptote was at 0. Hold on. It was at 0, but which way did it move? Left or right? Left 1, right? So now that horizontal asymptote moved left 1. Where's it at now? If you start at 0 and you go left 1, that's -1, right? So x equals -1 is our asymptote. And again, we did examples of this on the notes. Please look at those notes. But the domain is x greater than -1 because it goes to the right from that asymptote, but it does not go to the left. It does not cross the vertical asymptote. And we did say that it goes forever down, forever up, that the range is all real numbers. Okay. Does everyone have those notes from yesterday, 10.1? You want to use that to do your assignment that you got yesterday, 10.1, right? Make sure you absent Monday, Tuesday. Well, then on the Wednesday one, put absent and you put a little arrow both ways too. And then figure out Tuesday. Okay, so again, work on 10.1 today. I need y'all working on that.